In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect RUNNA app to Garmin watch or connect Garmin to RUNNA app. Connecting your Garmin watch to the RUNNA app is all about syncing your account so that your training plans and completed workouts flow seamlessly between the two. The process is straightforward and only takes a few steps. First, make sure you have both the RUNNA app and the Garmin Connect app installed on your phone and updated in here in your Play Store and App Store, and that your Garmin watch is already paired with Garmin Connect. This is important because RUNNA links to Garmin through Garmin Connect, not directly to the watch. Open the RUNNA app, log into your account, and head to the Settings or Integration section. There, you'll see an option to connect to Garmin. When you tap to connect, the app will redirect you to a Garmin login page where you'll enter your Garmin Connect credentials. Once you confirm, you'll be asked to grant RUNNA permission to access your activity data, approve the permissions, and the two accounts will now be linked. After the connection is set up, any workout scheduled in RUNNA can be synced to your Garmin watch. To make this work, ensure your watch is regularly synced with the Garmin Connect app so that the workout plans transfer over. When you go for a run, your Garmin watch will track the session as usual, and once you finish and sync it with Garmin Connect, the data will automatically appear in the RUNNA app too. This integration saves you from manually uploading workouts and makes it much easier to follow structured training plans directly from your wrist. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.